To fix source loading errors on NotebookLM Mobile, start by checking your internet connection. Unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can interrupt source uploads and cause them to freeze or fail to load. Switching between networks often resolves the issue quickly. Next, force close the NotebookLM app and reopen it. Temporary glitches during loading sessions can cause sources to appear stuck, even if they have partially uploaded in the background. Reopening the app refreshes the session and clears minor runtime errors. If a specific source is stuck loading, return to the main notebook screen and re-enter the notebook. This simple reset often forces the app to reinitialize the source processing and can clear the loading state without deleting your content. You should also check whether the file you are uploading is supported. NotebookLM Mobile accepts PDFs, Google Docs, text, and YouTube links. However, very large files, scanned PDFs without text layers, or corrupted documents may fail to process and appear stuck during loading. If the problem continues, try removing the problematic source and uploading it again. This can resolve incomplete uploads or interrupted file transfers that cause persistent loading errors. On Android devices, clearing the app cache can also help. Go to your device settings, find NotebookLM under Apps, and clear the cache to remove temporary corrupted data that may be interfering with source loading. Make sure your NotebookLM app is updated to the latest version, since Google regularly releases bug fixes that improve source handling, reduce upload errors, and improve stability across mobile devices. If you're using NotebookLM through a mobile browser instead of the app, refreshing the page or logging out and back in can also reset stuck loading states. Finally, if none of these steps work, the issue may be temporary server-side congestion. In that case, waiting and trying again later is often the only solution, as NotebookLM processing delays can sometimes occur during high usage periods. And that's how you fix source loading errors on NotebookLM Mobile. Stabilize your connection, refresh the app session, verify file compatibility, and apply cache or update fixes to restore normal source loading.